Hi, I just wanted to share a tip with you about labeling food. This came when I spoke to a friend yesterday, and she gave me some food in a container, and it had one of those sort of paper labels on it. So that's you put those paper labels on, but then you have to take them off again, and it's hard, and it leaves a sticky residue. So some time ago I came to a different way to do it in this. I just wanted to share it. It's a simple thing, but I wanted to share it with you. So what I'm basically using is masking tape. So this is a nice, I like green stuff, so this is Frog tape, and it's good quality masking tape. So I use that and a Sharpie. So basically I cut off a piece of it, and then I just put on the labels, and when I'm done with it, so this is Dutch actually because I'm Dutch, when I'm done with it I can take it off without any issues there, so there's no stickiness, it's very clear. Also use it in the freezer. I like to freeze things in small jars, so this is millet or gierst in Dutch, and they are all sitting upright in a drawer. So here I have the label on top of the lid, so I can see clearly what's there. Also I label a lot of my cupboard items, mainly because I have lots of stuff in the cupboard, and then my husband's not sure what's what, so I have to label that. And yeah, again, it's very clear. It's maybe not the most beautiful, but it's very practical. It saves you fiddling around and getting the sticky stuff off, and making your jars look less pretty. So yeah, so I also want to say, if when working with me, it's not just me telling you what to do and then leave you overwhelmed and scared. There's a lot of practical tips I give, and practical hands-on ideas, because changing your diet and lifestyle is not so easy. We humans don't like to change so much, but we can make it fun and easier and step by step, and some people want to go faster and others want to go slower, and just being practical about it. So that's what I like doing, and doing these labels is one of the ways. Okay, it was nice to share. See you soon.